1995 GMC 1500 Sierra. Really nice truck. Really well kept up. It's got a stock converter there. Then 3-inch pipe. And we continued that 3-inch pipe into a wide pipe, 2.5 inch, or 3 inch to 2.5. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the sides. There and there. 4-inch angle cut. There it is. And there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Discount muffler. 2000 Dodge Ram 1500 5.9 liter. What we done on it for you guys today is still got all the stock converters. One right there, one big one. Then we widened it out and straight piped it with 3-inch to 2 1/4 tailpipes. And then 3.5-inch tips. One here, one here. This is how you get them dualed out, boys and girls. There's the wide pipe on it. This is how when it's done right. There it is right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. One second, Tim, on that. Give it again. Sound decibels. Go ahead. 106. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, once you change, if you do the tab 2, it'll open it up even more. What size motor's in it?
4.3.
4.3.
Last time found out like 64.
Yeah.
It does now. It did.
That's what we like to hear.
Hey, Baba. Daddy's laughing, goddamn it. Yeah, look at Daddy. There you go. There you go.
That sounds like a beast. Get on it.